This 2025 East to West Della Terra 272RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used east to west is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, microwave, external shower, leveling jacks, skylight, water heater, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, LP detector, oven, smoke detector, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 East to West Della Terra 272RL is 7,963 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.